If you want your designs to look sharp and consistent, you need a brand kit. A brand kit helps you keep your colors, fonts, logos, and style all in one place. Lucky for you, Canva makes this super easy. Let's break it down step by step so you can make your own brand kit today. Think of a brand kit like your style guide. It's the rule book that helps your designs match every time. Without it, your projects may look messy or confusing. With it, your work will look clean, polished, and professional. And honestly, it just makes life easier. So, go to the Canva on the web. You can also use the mobile app, but working on a computer is easy for this. Once you are logged in, go to the home page and click Brand in the left sidebar. This is a place where you have all your brand kits. I should also tell you that creating your own brand kit is a paid feature that is available only for people who have any of the Canva paid plans. If you have a paid plan, you can now click on the Add New button in the right corner, then type a name for your brand kit and hit Create button. Now you will organize your kit with logos, color palette, or typography. On the right side of any of these sections, you can click Add New or just drag and drop any of the elements you want. Just bring in your logos and images, drag them into the right sections. You can also search Canva's library for cool backgrounds, elements, and photos to add more style. It's also important to have a consistent color for your brand. I like to pick 2 to 3 colors. Click a box and a color picker will pop up. If you know the hex number, type it in. If don't, just play with the color slider until you find the shade you love. The code will appear automatically, so write it down. You can also click the Add New button to find some pre-made color palettes if you need more help. For the fonts, you can pick your favorite ones from the huge Canva font library or upload your font if you have one. You should also use the text boxes to type the names of your headings, subheadings, and body fonts. This way you will remember what to use next time. Under the brand voice section, type a short message about what your brand stands for. This is where you explain your style, tone, and story. For example, our brand is playful, friendly, and bold. We use bright colors and fun shapes to bring joy. Keep it simple and clear. Once you have added everything, you can try to use your brand kit in your designs. It's easy to do. Just open any design, then click on the brand option in the left sidebar, choose your preferred brand kit from the options, and then apply the colors, logo, font to your design. You know, setting up a brand kit may seem like extra work, but it saves tons of time later. You won't have to wonder, what color did I use or which font fits here? It's all ready to go. Plus, when you share it with your friends and teammates, everyone stays on the same page. A brand kit is about showing off what makes you you. Don't be afraid to try bold colors or playful fonts. Make sure it reflects your personality or vibe of your project. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you.